Hello and welcome back to another video. So I decided to do these short coffin nails. I wanted them to be longer than what they turned out to be, but I don't know why they just came out like you see on the form. It looks like it's gonna be long, but then I did all the filing and stuff, and I guess that made it like a lot shorter. I'm using this glitter acrylic. I mixed it, so it's a custom acrylic. I used clear and chalk and a bunch of glitters that I got from an artist website, and that's pretty much all that's in there. The solid color I'm using is also custom, and the reason why my voice sounds so weird and raspy is because I just woke up. Just woke up. I'm already talking a lot, but I have a lot to say, I guess. I was struggling with the structure of these nails because they're on the form, and I'm trying to practice forms because I want to start using them more. I really don't know why. Just probably because the cutting and the shaping of tips, gluing them on, they always for some reason come off of my sister's nails while I'm filing them, and they come off of my nails while I'm filing them too. And I use Macart glue, which, oh wait, actually I don't know if it's Macart glue, but actually I don't think it's Macart glue. I used some cheap glue that I got from Amazon that I thought was Macart glue. It don't work very well. Right here, I'm just taking all the forms off of the cured nails. The pinky wasn't cured yet. And then I'm just gonna encapsulate all of them and then go to filing. I don't really know why I took the forms off before I kept the nails, but I think that the forms probably would have got on my nerves anyway, so before I get to the filing, I just wanted to show how crazy this practice hand is looking. I don't know why it looks like that. But anyway, I don't really like showing the filing, but I decided to show the e-filing on this finger and also the hand filing, but only on one finger. And that's pretty much it. Short and simple, easy nails.